Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I introduce silk blouses. Classic Invari silk blouses. This classic Invari silk blouses is the definition of timeless elegance crafted from luxuriously smooth silk fabric. It drapes beautifully over the body, creating a soft and graceful silhouette. The natural sheen of the silk catches the light with the every movement, giving a blouse a refined and polished look. Designed with a relaxed, flattering fit, it offers both comfort and sophistication. Make it tailored trouser for formal setting or pair with a flowing skirt and feminine touch. This blouse effortlessly elevates any outfit. It is a wardrobe essential for women who appreciate and understand luxury classic fashion. Elegant pearl white silk blouses. The pearl white silk blouses execute grace and femininity with the smooth texture and delicate shine made from um, premium quality with silk. It feels feather light against the skin, ensuring comfort throughout the day. The soft fabric flows naturally, creating graceful movement that enhances the overall charm of the blouse. Its minimalistic design allows the richness of the silk to take center stage, making it an ideal choice for both professional and casual occasion. Paired with high-waisted pants and a chic midi skirt, this blouse diverts a refined and confident look that never goes out of style. Luxurious black silk blouses. This luxurious black silk blouses is a statement of confidence and sophistication. The rich black tone combined with the subtle shine of a silk create a bold yet elegant appearance designed to fall smoothly over the body. It offers a flattering fit without compromising comfort. The silk fabric feels cool and soft on the skin, making it suitable for both daytime wear and evening events. Whether styled with this sleek trouser for a power look or layered under blazer for a polished outfit, this blouse brings a touch of modern luxury any wardrobe. Soft pastel silk blouses. The soft pastel silk blouses are perfect tools who love delicate and charm fashion made from high quality silk. It features a gentle sheen that adds a depth and elegance to the fabric. The blouse flows effortlessly, creating light and airy feel that is ideal for warm days or layered styling. Its soothing and pastel tone enhances femininity while maintaining a clean and modern look. Pair it with a natural bottoms or denim for a balanced and stylish outfit that feels fresh, graceful, and effortlessly chic. Royal blue silk blouses. This royal blue silk blouses stand out with its rich color and luxurious finish. The smooth silk fabric glides over the skin, offering unmatched comfort and elegance. Its vibrant yet refined shade make it a perfect for special occasion or elevated everyday wear. The blouse is designed to drape naturally, creating a flattering silhouette that enhances the confident style with the trouser. Skirts or statement accessories. This blouse adds a target touch to any assembles and leaves a lasting impression. Timeless Invari silk blouses. This timeless Invari silk blouses is crafted for women who appreciate elegance in its purest form, made from premium natural silk. The fabric feels expectationally smooth and breathable, gently resting on the skin with a weightless touch. The fine waves of the silk allow it to glide across surface, creating a soft, luminous gloss that enhances the blouse's luxurious appeal. Designed with a fluid drape, it falls effortlessly along the body, offering graceful silhouette that flatters every movement. The inverted tone adds a sense of charm and sophistication, making this blouse a versatile choice for both formal and defined casual look. Whether worn beneath and a structured blazer paired with tailored trousers or styled with flowing skirt, this blouse adapts seamlessly to different occasions. Its understated design highlights the beauty of the silk itself, making it a wardrobe essential that never fades with trends. Elegant pearl white silk blouses. The pearl white silk blouses is the embodiment of the soft luxury and modern femininity crafted from high quality silk. It offers silky smooth texture that feels gentle and cool against the skin, ensuring comfort throughout long hours of wear. The fabric natural sheen adds depth richness, elevating the blouse by one simple elegance into a statement of refined taste. Its flowing structure creates a graceful movement with every step, while the clean design keeps the look effortlessly polished. The pearl white shade reflects light beautifully, giving the blouse a refreshed and radiant appearance, ideal for office wear, evening gatherings, or social occasion. This blouse pairs perfectly with natural tones, classic blacks or soft pastels, making tan endlessly versatility fashion piece. Luxurious black silk blouses. These luxurious black silk blouses defines power, confidence, and timeless sophistication. The deep black hue enhances the silk's subtle shine, creating a striking contrast that feels bold yet refined. Made from premium silk fabric, it drapes smoothly over the body, offering a flattering fit that feels both relaxed and elegant. This silk natural breathability ensure comfort while its soft texture add a sense of ingredients and with every wear. This blouse transition effortlessly from day to night, perfect for professional setting when paired with tailored pants or evening wear. When styled with statement accessories, clean, classic design and rich finish make it a must-have piece for a polished and confident wardrobe. Soft blush pink and silk blouses. This soft blush pink silk blouses is captures the beauty of subtle graceful femininity created from fine silk. It features gentle sheen that enhances the softness of the color, creating a delicate yet luxurious appearance. The lightweight fabric flows naturally, allowing the blouse to move freely, effortlessly, and feel airy against the skin. The blush tone adds warmth and elegance, make it perfect for daytime wear, elegant dinner, or special moments. Style with the trouser, neutral skirts, or light denim. This blouses create a balanced and refined look. Its timeless charm and comfortable fit make it a versatile addition to any modern wardrobe. Regal Royal Blue Silk Blouses. This Regal Royal Silk Blouses is designed to leave a lasting impression. This rich, vibrant color symbolize confidence, elegance, while the premium silk fabric add a luxurious finished mood to the touch and beautifully fluid. The silk drapes neutrally, creating a striking yet graceful silhouette. The blouse reflects light, subtly enhancing its depth and richness without overpowering the overall look. Perfect for formal events, evening wear, statement daytime outfits, and this blouse pairs beautifully with classic black, crisp white, or metallic accessories. Powerful fashion piece that combines comfort, luxury, and timeless style. Crafted from luxurious smooth silk fabric, it drapes beautifully over the body, creating a soft and beautifully drapes. Ultra luxury silk blouses. These silk blouses are a true celebration of elegance, craftsmanship, and timeless fashion. Created from premium quality silk, the fabric feels expectationally smooth and soft against the skin, offering a sensation of lightness and comfort that lasts throughout the day. As the silk gently flows over the body, it creates a naturally graceful silhouette, moving effortlessly and with every step and gesture. The subtle natural shine of the silk reflects light beautifully, giving the blouse a rich and refined glow without appearing overpowering. Designed with both beauty and comfort in mind, this blouse drapes flawlessly, enhancing the body natural lines while maintaining a relaxed, breathable fit. The fine texture of the silk allows to air circulate, making it ideal for long hours of wear in both warm and cool settings. Every detail speaks a luxury, from the smooth finish of the fabric to the way it falls softly against the skin, creating an impression of quiet sophistication. Style with the tailored trousers create a polished and confident look suitable for professional environment, paired with a flowing skirt and into evening and ready piece that radiates graceful and feminine. Its minimalistic aesthetic allow it to complement both bold and subtle detailing, allow it to complement both bold and subtle styling choices, making a foundation piece any function. What truly sets with a silk blouse apart is the ability to elevate any outfit without effort. The fabric natural luster adds depth and dimension, while smooth drapes ensures a flattering fit for all body types. It feels luxurious yet practical, delicate yet durable, designed for women who appreciate gently quality, elegance, and timeless appeal. This blouse not defined by trends or season. It is a classic piece that remains relevant year after year, offering endless styling possibility whether worn for formal settings, occasions, and elegant gatherings or sophisticated everyday looks. This silk blouses embodies confidence, grace, and just and luxury. It is more than just a garment. It is an expression and taste, effortless beauty, and enduring style. Ultimate luxury silk blouses. These silk blouses wear timeless elegance, meets modern refinement, designed for women who understand that truly luxury is felt before it is seen. From the very first touch, the premium silk reveals its exceptionally quality, smooth, fluid, and delicately cool against the skin. The fabric glides effortlessly over the body, creating a soft, natural drape that moves without weight, grace, never stiffs, never heavy, only light and flowing. As light falls upon the silk, it reflects with a gentle, sophisticated glow, enhancing the richness of the fabric without overwhelming the eye. This subtle sheen gives the blouse a refined depth, making it appear effortless polish in both natural daylight and evening setting. Every fold, every movement tells a story of careful craftsmanship and luxurious design. The silhouette of this blouse is truthfully balanced, relaxed enough of offer comfort, yet structured enough to maintain elegance. Its flowing The natural lines and the body without clinging, allowing freedom of movement while preserving a graceful form. The breathable nature of silk ensures that blouse remain comfortable throughout long hours of wear, adapting beautifully different climates and occasions. This piece creative versatility in this quiet confidence of daytime look, it pairs seamlessly with tailored trousers, classic skirts, creating an appearance that is defined, poised, and professional as the day transition into evening. The same blouse transform effortlessly styled with statement jewelry or flowing fabric. It become an expression of sophistication and feminine charm. What sets these silk blouses apart is the timeless character. It doesn't following fleeting trends or seasonal fashion. It exists by one them. It is designed allowed to be worn again and again, each time revealing a new interpretations of style, whether chosen for formal gatherings, elegant dinners, special celebration, elevated everyday wear. It adapts naturally, always feeling appropriate, always feeling luxurious. The true beauty of this blouse lies in the simplicity and the richness of the silk speak of itself. Requiring no access, it is understand yet powerful, delicate yet confident. This law is not merely worn; it is an experience. It become a reflection of personal style, refined taste, and quiet confidence. This is more than a silk blouse; it is a timeless investment, a wardrobe essential, crafted to last, and a symbol of effortless elegance that remains beautiful season after season. This silk blouse is quite expression of elegance, designed for women who believe that true luxury doesn't short its whispers from the moment it touches the skin, and the silk reveals its purity and refinement, smooth, fluid, and naturally luminous. The fabric feels weightless, as if were woven from air and light. It settles gently against the body, never restrictive, heavy, never heavy, and allowing comfort of beauty to exist in perfect harmony. The silk flows effortlessly, responding to every moment with grace as the warrior walks. The blouse moves softly, creating a natural rhythm that feels organic and alive. The fabric delicate sheen captures light in the most subtle way, producing a glow that is elegant rather than flashy. It is a kind of shine that speaks of quality, craftsmanship, and timeless taste. Every detail of this blouse has been designed with intention. This drape is fluid yet controlled, creating a silhouette that flatters without clanging. It flows the natural shape of the body, enhancing confidence while preserving comfort. The breathable nature of silk ensures that the blouse remains cool and soothing even during long hours of wear, making it as a practical as it luxurious. This blouse adapts effortlessly to its surroundings in daylight. It appears soft, refined, and graceful, perfect for polished office look, elegant lunches to refined daytime outings paired with tailored trousers or classic skirts. It creates a look that feels confident, composed, and quietly powerful. As evening approaches, the same blouses transform under softer lights. The silk represents richness, become more dramatic and more expressive, ideal for dinners, events, and intimate gatherings. What makes these silk blouses truly expectational is the timeless nature. It is not tied to trends, season, or fleeting fashion movement. It exists by one them year after year. It remains relevant, beautifully desirable. It becomes a trusted piece in the wardrobe, one that is reached for repeatedly, each time offering slightly different expression depending on how it is styled. The beauty of this blouse lies in its restraint. It doesn't really on excessive embellishment and dramatic detail. Instead, it allows the silk itself on speak. The pearl white silk blouse executes grace and femininity with its smooth texture and delicate shine made from premium quality silk. It feels gathered light against the skin, ensuring comfort throughout the day. The soft fabric flows naturally, creating graceful movement that enhances the overall charm of the blouse. Its minimalistic design allow the richness of the silk to take the center stage, and it this silk blouse is an embodiment of timeless beauty, crafted for women who understand it. That is in hand that not only for women who understand elegance is not created by excess, by refinement. From the very first moment it rests against the skin, the silk fabric reveals its extraordinary character, smooth fluidity, and natural soothing. It does not simply sit on the body; it becomes part of it, adapting effortless to every this silk blouse is an embodiment of timeless beauty, crafted for women who understand that elegance is not created by excess, by refinement. From the very first moment it rests against the skin, the silk fabric, its extraordinary character, smooth, fluid, and naturally soothing. It doesn't simply sit on the body; it becomes part of it, adapting effortless to every curve and movement with quick grace. The fabric is woven with precision, allowing it to be breathable naturally while maintaining its luxurious structure. As the blouse drapes over the body, it creates a silhouette that feels both relaxed and refined. There is no stiffness, no restriction, only a soft flow that enhances comfort while preserving sophistication. The silk moves gently with every step, responding motion in a way that feels organic, almost poetic. Light plays beautifully across the surface of the silk, revealing a subtle sheen that shifts throughout the day. In a natural daylight, it appears soft and luminous, radiating understand elegance under evening light. It depends in richness, creating a more dynamic yet still refined presence. These quiet transformations give the blouse unique versatility, allowing it to transition effortlessly from day to night without losing its identity. Every element of this blouse speaks through full design. The balance between structure and fluidity has been carefully achieved, ensuring the blouse flatters without clanging, flows the body naturally, offering a sense of confidence that feels effortless rather than forced. The breathable nature of the silk keeps the wearer comfortable even during long hours, making this blouse as practical as is luxurious. This is a piece is designed to complement women's lifestyle, paired with tailored trousers, create a polished and composed look suitable for professional. Refined accessories becomes an expression of femininity and grace, whether worn on any green gatherings, formal occasions, or elevated everyday movement. The blouse adapts seamlessly, always feeling appropriate, always feeling defined. What truly defines these silk blouses? It is a timeless quality. It does not chase trends, nor does it rely on dramatic detail to make an impression. Instead, it draws a strength from simplicity, quality, and craftsmanship. It is a garment that remains relevant after year after, growing more valuable with time rather than fading with fashion cycles. This beauty of the blouse lies is subtly. There is no unnecessary embellishment. This distract from the richness of the silk itself. The fabric, natural movement, its soft texture, and its gentle glow create an elegance that feels honest and enduring. This is luxury that is does not need explanation. It is felt instantly. Wearing this blouse creates a sense of quiet confidence. It is the feeling of being practically dressed without effort, of knowing that every detail is a harmony. It reflects a woman who value quality over quantity, who appreciate peace, that tell a story of throughout craftsmanship rather than excess. This silk blouse can become more than just an item of clothing. It has become a trusted companion, one that is chosen again and again for important moments, subtle celebrations, and everyday elegant holds memories, moments becoming part of the warrior personal story. In the world of fast fashion and fleeting trends, this blouse stands as a reminder of lasting beauty. It is designed not just to be worn but to be experienced, appreciated, and treasured season after season. It remains graceful, relevant, and effortlessly elegant. This is not simply silk blouse; it is a reflection of refined taste. It is an expression of quick strength. It is a timeless luxury flowing softly, living beautifully, and enduring forever. Imagine a fabric so execute to life that is the sense of breathe alongside you. This silk blouse is the fabric from the very first moment brushes against the skin. There is an intimate sense of connections, soft, smooth, and weightless, like a whisper of air resting against the body. It is not merely worn; it is an experience. Every fold, every cases, every moment tells a story of story, craftsmanship, patience, and timeless elegance. The silk flows with a fluidity that feels almost magical. As you move, the blouse responds gently, casing the body with soft ripples that seems to dance in harmony with your natural motion. In luminous surface catches the light subtly, never harshly, creating a quiet glow that shifts and changes with the environment. In morning sunlight, it radiates gentle, warm, soft, and inviting. In evening light, it depends into a richer, more mysterious sheen, echoing elegance and sophistication. Every detail of this blouse has been meticulously designed. The cut fluid yet structure, flattering every curve without every feeling restrictive. The sleeve flow with gentle grace. The neckline frames the collarbone beautifully, and the body of the blouse depend and drapes in soft, luxurious fold. It feels like it was more of every shape, every gesture, every movement, custom tailored by imagination itself. This blouse is versatile in ways few garments can ever claim. By day, it conveys quiet confidence paired with sleek trousers or tailored skirts for an office meeting, a luncheon, and an important conservations. By night, it transforms effortlessly layered with delicate jewelry paired with flowing fabrics and worn alone it becomes a statement of elegance, an expression of sophistication, a reflection of personal style. It adapts seamlessly, always appropriate, always defined, and always stunning. Its beauty is unrestrained. There is no superfluous embellishment, no loud decorations, no need to ornaments, and silk itself, the statement texture, the sheen, its natural fluidity speaks more than words ever could. It is the fabric that feels stories, the stories those who wear its the movement, every inhabited, the memories they create each time you are wear. It is a become companion to your day, a witness to your present, and a canvas of your life moment, elegant moments. This silk weightless feel allow it to move freely, almost it has a life its own. Every step, every gesture, every subtle shift in posture animates the fabric. It breathable, it flows, responds, and yet it never overwhelms. It always enhances, complementing the varied presence, never competing, only elevating. This blouse, more than a garment, is a celebration of the sense. The touch silk on the bare skin, the gentle luster and movement, the soft reflection of light across its surface, all combine to an experience that feels luxurious, impressive, and deeply personal. It is a reminder and elegant, not smoothing one wears it is a something, once feels something, one inhabited season after season, year after year. This blouse remains timeless, it doesn't flows, fleeting trends or chase fashion fads. It exists by one time, a piece that retains its beauty, relevance, and allure indefinitely. It becomes part that various personal story, a trusted companion of life, most special and subtle moments. To wear this blouse, it is an entire world where beauty is soft, confidence is quiet, and luxury is felt rather than displayed. It is a piece that transforms ordinary movement into extraordinary ones. It is an elegant, embodies grace, realized, and refinement experience. It is not simply clothing. It is not merely fashion. It is silk distilled into perfection. It is a softness made tangible, movement made visible, light made graceful. It is a timeless luxury, flowing endlessly, living softly, the whispered elegance with the every gesture. This blouse not just worn, it is lived, it is not admired, it is felt, it is not just a piece silk, it is a very timeless application. It moves with you, adapts you, becomes an inspirable part of your most elegant moment. It is enduring, it is eternal, it is more than silk, it is a statement, a story, and a century of beauty wrapped around the barrier. It is quite perfection and its rest on the body. Thank you for